Hey, what's up everyone? And today I'm going to be talking about the Kiddie Fire X carbon monoxide alarm. This is a good thing. My Aunt Julie's about to sell her house. The retailer recommended we have these. I don't like doing unboxings. This packaging is like really hard to open. This thing is like really hard to open. I actually move after the 4th of July. I'm going to be in a brand new house, which means a brand new layout, which means new reviews. I'm going to see it when it unboxes. I'm not going to trip this for you because I heard this before. I already unboxed one today, and it's super loud. Okay? I'm going to open this for you and show you what it looks like outside. Yep, so my Aunt Julie just pulled this, and this thing is really loud. So I'm not going to push this for you because we actually have these at the police station. Oh, I didn't know we had these. My girlfriend is actually a police officer. We just got these at the Los Salil police station. I got volunteered to install these. I'm gonna see what it does. What to do when alarm sounds. Warning, activation of the code. You know what? You can actually take a pause here and read this. You can take a pause, read all this. I have this special fire alarm Apple Watch face because why not? It's one of my alarm reviews I'm doing today. Hopefully I'm not. Carbon monoxide alarm user guide. I'm gonna have to flip this over. It's in Spanish for any of you viewers who speak Spanish out there. My girlfriend speaks Japanese because she was born in Japan. She was raised in Indianapolis. She knows Japanese. She taught her friends in Indianapolis how to speak Spanish. So this is it. I'm not going to be testing this. My school doesn't have these in their bathrooms. Particularly, cameras are forbidden there. Cameras are forbidden at the police station. I haven't taken any photos there. This photo was taken there. It was sent by one of the police officers there. This thing will go in my bedroom. I'm going to show you what it looks like plugged in. I already have one plugged in downstairs, guest room. Not allowed to bring any cameras in there. So I'm actually going to go upstairs. Get ready for bed. And probably upload this thing tomorrow. So I actually have 3 carbon monoxide alarms. One's gonna go in my bedroom, one's gonna go in the spare bedroom, one's gonna go in my Aunt Julie's bedroom. I had to get very special permission to film in there. I got a Rust-Oleum spray paint, which I'm gonna use on a model sometime soon. Not this model I'm working on right here. I'm painting it a tester's orange. A tester's orange. This is a Rust-Oleum spray paint. I'm gonna see what this says. Warning. It's a Rust-Oleum. It's a Rust-Oleum. 2 times painter's touch. So car fuel, so cars, cigarette smoke. So here's a tip. Never leave your car running with the garage door closed because car gas reduces carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide is bad for you. Cigarette smoke, carbon monoxide. So I'm actually going to install these in every bedroom. I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's do that right now. And it's 9:33 in Colorado, where I live. They're doing a movie night out there. Okay, I'm going to show you how to install these. So here's what it looks like installed. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna push this because my Aunt Julie would kill me. Okay, we have a kiddie water fountain here. We don't have one in my bedroom. Yep, we're in her room right now. This house was built in 2006. I was born in 2005. These were made in, let me go, December of 2020. Only AA batteries. Made in China. Why is everything made in China? Luckily, the police station was built in 2011. It was originally built in the 90s. We had it renovated in 2010. This is her office. This is where I edit videos. I want to show you guys my bedroom. This is what it looks like with the lights on, like I showed you in my Aunt Julie's room. I'm trying to zoom in here with my phone. Now I'm going to flip a switch. This is what it looks like with the lights off. Just green. This is a smoke detector on the ceiling here. You're supposed to replace your smoke detectors every 10 years. This house was built in 2006. So these smoke detectors are as old as me, even though I was born in August of 2005. These smoke detectors are pretty old. Maybe I should talk to a real enthusiast about getting them replaced. This is my light switch. This used to be my bedroom. Now I actually have to call my Aunt Julie upstairs and get her and tell her it's bedtime.